Ready to leap into the world of selling foot content? Well, come along with me and I'm going to take you on my FeetFinder journey. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the FeetFinder channel where we talk about only feet desires, selling feet photos for money, turning those photos into real cash. This is how you can become a legit feet photo seller. If you have seen one of our videos go viral, come to the right place. This video has thousands of views. I'm going to link it below in the video description for you, just in case you haven't seen it yet.
Hey everyone, this is Angela.
And I'm Ada.
Here's an expert guide to buying and selling feet content.
FeetFinder is the real deal. It has nothing but top ratings. It's an incredible website that really allows you to become a true quality foot content creator. So many of you are eager and interested in how do you become a seller at FeetFinder.com. Well, you're in luck because today I'm in the mood for a little bit of chit chat and I want to walk you through the steps, everything that you need to do to become a legit foot content seller at FeetFinder.com. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, let me give you some tips on how to get started. Of course, if you plan to start, the basic step is to sign up and make an account. When signing up, make sure to provide all of the necessary details and complete everything that is asked of you. You don't have to worry about giving your personal information because this is a secure website, not a shady one. I really need to emphasize that this is the most secure foot-specific content website and it's legit. It is very focused on your security and making sure that your information is kept confidential. Of course, there's lots of quality reviews that support this too. Let's take a look at a few of them together. The very first review, it says that the customer service is so nice and they have always answered my questions and they're super friendly too. The next 5-star review says that the service from FeetFinder has been amazing, very helpful and polite, and they're looking forward to a long relationship together. The final review from Giant Feet King is that this is the best foot site, truly the best foot fetish site out there. As feet fetish content creator, I've been able to expand my audience using FeetFinder and made a really good profit. I will continue to use and recommend FeetFinder.com. So many wonderful reviews. There's no reason to not get started. So now it's time for you to prepare your identification card for the strict verification process. Once you have made an account, the most exciting part begins. Making content. Get some good quality pictures of your feet. You want to ensure that your feet are perfect for your buyers. Make sure that your photos are HD so it won't look cheap. Take many, many photos of your feet, stockings, shoes, heels, and even paint your toenails. Take as many photos as you can, and don't be afraid to get creative. Once done, simply upload them. Trust me, plenty of feet enthusiasts are waiting on the website for your content. Now, this next step is crucial. Make sure to respond to all inquiries professionally and promptly. You want to make sure that your clients feel valued and appreciated. The next thing you know, you'll earn legit dollars on your account. Selling feet content can be a lot of fun. And who knows, you may even develop a fan base. If you want a side hustle, then feet content is the answer. It makes selling feet content, well, fun and easy, and you'll get to meet many new people also interested in foot fetish. You should definitely go to FeetFinder.com and start your own foot selling journey today. There you have it. If you want more tips and tricks from me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on. Now, get those feet camera ready. Get ready to make some serious cash.